Oh, look, it totally makes a wicked cool sound. Okay, Caleb, bake it.
You can't stand that. Not so hard, not so hard. Just a little squeak. Poor coop. Okay, the light just totally went out in the kitchen by itself.
It keeps doing that. It's done that like twice. It's probably Frank.
Just squeak it a little bit so he cocks his head and tilts his.
Caleb, sit down.
I don't want to hold that squeaker again.
It's in his pocket.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, no, sure, grab your butt. Butter.
Poor puppy. Okay, when you go out there to give him a treat, we turn off that light, please. Over the sink.
Oh, now I can't see.
It's off,
Now
but
it's
the
too
light
dark.
switch is still on.
What?
The
Oh, I'm
lights.
scared.